Hello ELD class, this is Mr. Daugus, and today I'm going to show you how to turn in your summary video. So first you need to find your summary video here in your projects, and then you're going to click this share link. You'll have to create a link down here, and then it should show up with a shareable link. You want to copy that link. Then you want to go to a new tab, and you want to go to Classroom, find our class in Classroom, and you want to go into this Charts Video Summary. You're going to paste your video URL right here. URL is another name for the address. So if I right click paste, and if I press the spacebar, it'll turn into a link. You can test that link by clicking on it to see if it takes you to your video. If it takes you to your video, you know you've done that correctly. Alright.